Hi guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the June 2022 farm vlog video. This month I've decided to do it a little different, and to be honest with you, I didn't like how it turned out. So I might not do it this way again, but I might, you never know. Instead of having you come with me for one specific project that I was working on and give you a story or talk about the farm, this month I decided to try to get videos throughout the month and make a collage, if you will, of my month. And it was kind of tough because there was different things I wanted to make a video on, and I didn't make a video on specifically for it because I wanted to save it for this video. So we'll see what happens. In this video you're going to see everything from us working on the John Deere 2010. We're trying to get that started. There's going to be a cold start video for that tractor next month, and you might see some repetition, which is something I don't like. You might see it again, some of the same footage today as you will later. You might not, so you got to tune in and watch the next video to find out. We'll see. It's kind of a work in progress, and I think that's what a lot of this farm is to me, is a lot of work in progress. You learn as you go, and I'm having fun doing it. Also started working on the Jeep some, both the yellow 43 GPW and the 48 CJ2A. So you got to tune in to figure that one out too. We'll see what all makes the cut for this video, and tune in next month and find out some more stuff too. There's hopefully going to be a designated Jeep video coming out at some point soon. Like I said, the 2010 video is going to come out. So we got a lot of stuff in the works. Here's that new weed eater I was telling you about in some of the previous videos. It takes the same battery as every other tool that I have. It's a 24 volt. It's convenient, that's why I got it. They also make a more powerful 40 volt battery. It's cobalt. But look at this. Just like that. Now let's go put it to work. For a little battery operated thing, I think that's awesome. So I think you can't go wrong. That's how I feel about it. Look at how great that is. Looks beautiful now. I can actually get to it and work on it. So here shortly, hopefully, we'll start working on this again. We'll see. Me and Heritage Farmer are working on the John Deere 2010 for the first time in
Like 2 years.
2 years. Step 1 is to get fresh gas. You gotta take the old gas out. How much do you want in?
I would put like, yeah. Alright, so what do we want to do about this joke?
Oh, you're gonna have to play it from the carb itself.
Come out at all. No spark.
Well, that's a problem. Well, I'm working on it. I was working on it. So let's dive into this. Alright guys, well I think that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun this past month. As you can see, I've been pretty busy with things. There's been a lot of stuff behind the scenes. I'll try to pick up my old habits next month, where I bring you along and publish the videos as I go along. I think that works out better for me. So, hope you enjoy these videos. Nope. Probably won't use that in the video. That's all I gotta really say.